Luttermöller axle. A Luttermöller axle is an unusual steam locomotive component. Steam locomotives with several axles or wheelsets connected to one another by coupling rods are not able to negotiate tight curves well. In order to assist such locomotives, the manager of the Orenstein and Koppel factory in Berlin, Dr. Luttermöller, built the axle system named after him. Overview. With this system, the outermost of several sets of successive driving wheel sets are not connected by coupling rods to crankshaft journals on the outside of the wheels, but by cogwheels located in the center of the axles. The axles are housed in the locomotive frames such that they are able to move at right angles to the axis of the rails to a certain degree. Likewise, the cogwheels are able to slide relative to one another. In this way, curves can be negotiated with less friction being generated. Use. Germany. For the Hamburg Harbor Railway with its tight curves, the 10 coupled steam locomotives of Class 87 were built with Luttermöller axles, front and rear. The 16 locomotives of this class were, however, retired as early as 1954, because they tended to overheat at higher speeds and could therefore only be used for shunting duties. A 5-axled 1000 mm 3FT3 3/8 in meter gauge steam engine with the Luttermöller system was procured by the private South Harz Railway Sudharzeisenbahn, Bromwich Walkenried 10 in 1928 from Orenstein and Koppel with operating number 61. It proved itself so well on the winding route that in 1932 mallet locomotives, built in 1925, were converted to the Luttermöller system by Henschel operating numbers 56 and 57. Henschel had to obtain a license from Orenstein and Koppel to use Luttermöller axles. Indonesia. Luttermöller axles found further use on narrow gauge lines, e.g. in Java, Indonesia. Argentina. Several 2-gauge Luttermöller locomotives built by Orenstein and Koppel were exported for use in Argentina at the Ingenio San Martin del Tabacal sugarcane refinery in the Salta province near the town of Hipólito Yrigoyen, Salta. 4 of these engines were bought by Preston Services and moved to Kent in the UK, where 3 are currently stored with the 4th sold to new owners.